Indranil's small history. The golden bird. I was playing in the forest until I saw a golden bird flying behind a bush. I went towards the bush to see the bird. I saw the bird behind the bush. It was wonderful. It walked away. I think he was scared. So I decided to follow it. The bird was struggling to fly. Then I realized it had a broken wing. I tried to find something to heal the bird. I found bandage behind a rock. I was lucky, or I went back to place where the bird was, but the bird disappeared. I was disappointed. I realized I was lost, so I just walked around the forest thinking I was gonna be lost forever. I still tried to smile. I was walking around the forest until I discovered a cave that I decided to go inside the cave. What a wonder! I found the golden bird inside the cave. I had a feeling that I should follow the bird. It might bring me back to my village.
I was following until I started to lose hope that I can return to my village, but I kept going. We arrived at the lake. There was a boat. I stepped inside the boat. I almost fell. The bird stayed in the forest. I remembered he had a broken wing. I couldn't stop the boat. Whoa, it could fly. Huh? The bird turned into phoenix. There I see my village. I thank the dragon, yeah, who was it, bird, and go home. The end.